day, you guys. Good to see you as always here on Grassroots Gardening. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ryan, and here on this channel we talk about plants, and well, plants. I've got a really cool vine to show you guys today. Check this thing out. It's in full bloom right now. So this is commonly called Trumpet Creeper or cross vine. Its Latin name is Bignonia Capreolata. But just look at these gorgeous trumpet shaped flowers it has. My hummingbirds just showed up a couple of days ago and they have been wearing this thing out, man. So Trumpet Creeper is actually a native to the southeast. It'll grow in zones anywhere from 5 to 9. It prefers full sun, but can do okay in some part shade situations. It's a self climber, and so I've got mine on the trellis over my back porch right here. This one's a couple years old. Now I will go ahead and put a disclaimer out there. This is a very, let's see how to put it, aggressive growing vine. It's gonna go crazy once it finds somewhere that it likes. It does best in well-drained soil. I've got it kind of on a slope right here, so it drains really good. And again, this one's a couple of years old, but let's look at the size of the stalk of this thing. And I just started training it when it was really young, just weaving it throughout, and then you just let it go and let it do the rest. It climbs using these tendrils right here. You see, almost like a grapevine. And then the tendrils go out to these little disc-like feet, if you will, and it'll grab on to pretty much anything, whether it be wood, metal, brick. It really doesn't care. Once it starts going, I mean, this thing has just formed a mat over my entire arbor out here. It gives nice shade during the summertime. It's a semi-evergreen, so it loses the majority of its leaves. It'll hang on to a few of them throughout the winter, but then in early spring, just like it is right now, it gets covered in these beautiful orange flowers. Butterflies I've seen visiting it, pollinators. It's a wonderful attractant for wildlife in your yard. And here later on in the summer, it'll have this beautiful glossy dark green foliage. I love it when I can find a native shrub or vine like this Bignonia, but it is just covered in flowers up on top. It's actually going up the house, so you do have to be a little bit careful of where you plant this thing because it is so aggressive and it will grow and climb just about anything. So take that into consideration where you're planting it. Make sure that your arbor or trellis can support the weight, because these vines, as you saw, get pretty massive, but they'll go up just about anywhere. So if you might want to, I probably shouldn't have planted it this close to the house because it is going up my the side of my house up against the soffit. So I'm probably gonna have to get up there and do a little bit of trimming. But for me, it's just a fantastic springtime bloomer, easy growing vine. I absolutely love the color of the flowers. It's just such a tropical looking vine. Mine's going all the way up. I've got kind of an outdoor shower area out here, and but it's just really nice to come out here and enjoy the flowers and take a shower out here. This one of the most beautiful vines that I think I've ever seen. So if you're looking for an absolutely gorgeous, native to the southeast, very easy to grow vine, give Trumpet Creeper or cross vine, Bignonia Capreolata, give it a shot. You won't regret it. Just be careful again of where you plant it. I appreciate you guys watching, and remember, the more you know, the more you grow. We'll see you on the next video.